Okay, I got her mixed up and I'm just going to dab it in here and fill it in. And I've taken the liberty to sand this area around it with some 36 grit sandpaper, which 80 grit will be fine, or coarse, work just as well. But I'm just going to fill this in here best I can, and it'll all come out nice and neat when we sand it. But I'm going to build it up a little bit. Get some more goo here for this other side. Fiberglass really messy. Make sure you use proper protective equipment. Alright, got it just globbed down in there. I'm applying a liberal amount here. Although I'm not liberal, but we won't go into my political affiliation because that's not important. What's important is building your damn race car and living life, pounding beers and fucking bitches. Don't have shit to do with your politics. That's real fucking nice.